Welcome to Navya's world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of one of nature's most elusive predators, the leopard. Leopards are part of the big cat family, but what makes them stand out? For starters, their signature golden coat with black rosettes is not just for show. This remarkable camouflage allows them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, whether it's the savannas of Africa or the dense forests of Asia. Did you know leopards are excellent climbers? They can often be found lounging in trees, keeping an eye on their surroundings or storing food away from scavengers. They're not just climbers, they're stealthy hunters. Leopards are primarily nocturnal, using their incredible strength, keen eyesight, and ability to move silently to ambush prey. Once they've caught their meal, they'll often drag it up into a tree for safekeeping. Imagine hoisting a fully grown antelope up into the branches. Talk about power. And they aren't always solitary. Female leopards are known to be fiercely protective of their cubs, teaching them how to hunt and survive before they head out on their own. Leopards are highly adaptable. From mountains to deserts, they can thrive in nearly any environment, making them one of the most widespread big cats in the world. So, the next time you think of big cats, don't forget the leopard, silent, powerful, and perfectly adapted to its environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more wildlife wonders.